It's just basically the instructions are chat, you write the POV or the context of the situation that we're in, and then you guys write our scripts, all of our dialogue lines, and then you can even have us do sound effects. For example, I put Shoto barking nonstop for 30 seconds as an example, so I'm pretty sure that was a good indicator of what chat can write. Are you ready? Are you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Let's get warmed up. Let's get
warmed
up into it. I can't do that. I can't do that. I fucking hate you guys. I hate you guys. I can't roll my R's. I can't roll my R's.
Can you try? I want to hear you try.
What does he say? He says,
You sound like a growling chihuahua.
I will leave. You know, I will actually leave right now.
Be my guest!
Bitch.
Bye.